Well, it's a beautiful afternoon. I thought I'd take a 5-minute break and have a bit of an explore. Whoa! The sun's shining. It's just a big open field. 5 on a Friday, busy, but I'm taking a 5-minute walk. Stretch my legs a bit. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous evening. 28 degrees out. I can see a couple of ponies over there. It's a bit far to walk over to them, but I would really like to, but I won't. It's too far. There's one, I think, and there's another one over there. I hope they've got plenty of water and shade. It's too hot today. Well, I suppose I better get back to it. Let's go. An order come through from the pub as I was just enjoying my stroll. Let's get back to the car. See if I can get down those hills without breaking my neck. It'll be fun. I think I might just have to run. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get up this one. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Let's get down this one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my life. I made it. Let's go. Quick, stamp these windows. I'm baking. Right.